Here's how to add confetti to your teleporthq.io page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click the black button that says Copy Code. Go to teleporthq.io and sign in. And once you're signed in, it will route you directly to My Workspace. And from there, select the page or website you want to edit. In this example, I'll be using Confetti Page Demo Site. So now, once you're inside the editor, click on the plus button located in the upper left corner to view elements, and then look for Code Embed. Now click on the Code Embed element, and this will open a box where you will be able to paste in the confetti code next. This is what it will look like. Right-click with your mouse and click Paste to add a code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier, or use the text shortcut Control-V for Windows or Command-V for Mac to paste the code. Once you see the confetti code pasted into the code embed element, click on Save. On the upper right corner, click on Publish, and then click on Publish again to confirm the action. Now, to see the confetti animation in action, click on this link under Publish. It will open a new tab, and if you did all the steps I mentioned correctly, the confetti code will work. Congratulations! By the way, if you are using the free version, you will see the ConfettiPage.com branding appear at the bottom left. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.